Have you ever wondered where the brains behind Paymo, your favorite project management tool, are located? Well, today we're on a mission to uncover the secret location of Paymo headquarters. Imagine a place where productivity meets innovation, where teams collaborate seamlessly, and where ideas come to life. A place where Paymo's dedicated team works tirelessly to create the ultimate project management solution. Where could it be? Before we dive into the mystery, let's take a quick look at what Paymo does. It's a powerful online platform that helps businesses of all sizes plan, track, and manage their projects efficiently. From small startups to large corporations, Paymo has become a go-to tool for streamlining workflows and boosting productivity. Clues and speculations. Now let's get down to business. Where could Paymo be hiding? We've gathered some clues and speculations to narrow down our search. Clue 1. Paymo's website is available in multiple languages, suggesting that they have a global reach. Speculation. Could Paymo be located in a tech hub like Silicon Valley or London? Or perhaps somewhere with a strong IT infrastructure in Asia? Clue 2. Paymo has a strong online presence with active social media channels and a thriving community forum. Speculation. This could indicate a location with good internet connectivity and a tech-savvy population. Clue 3. Paymo has a team of talented professionals from diverse backgrounds. Speculation. This suggests a location that is welcoming to international talent and offers a diverse cultural experience. The reveal. After careful investigation and analysis, we've finally narrowed down the location of Paymo headquarters. Are you ready for the big reveal? Drumroll, please. Paymo is located in city, country. That's right. The mastermind behind your favorite project management tool is based in city, country, a place known for its positive attributes about the location, e.g., innovation, creativity, or technology. So, there you have it. Paymo's headquarters is located in city, country, a place where innovation thrives and where the Paymo team is dedicated to providing you with the best possible project management experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, join us on our next adventure as we uncover more mysteries from the world of technology.